I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 3 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, writing, Java, C++, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Access, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Let's start our training. To solve it step by step, we will go to the IIT Lab, okay, Pearson. Then I will go to the IIT Lab Pearson. Then we will go to the assignments and go to the simulation training, Excel Chapter 3 Simulation Training. I will launch this training. Then I will start this training. You can focus on my PC screen. Question number 1 is that select the range A5 to D9 on the Outlook sheet. Use the Insert tab to create a clustered column chart. Basically, in this question, we will select first this range A5 to D9, okay, on the Outlook sheet. A5 to D9, we will select this range and then use the Insert tab to create a clustered column chart. Go to the Insert tab in the Charts group. Okay, we will select cluster column chart. Cluster column chart. This question is done. Now cut the selected chart and paste in cell H1. Simply cut this chart and then paste in cell H1. Okay. The next is that adjust the height of the column chart to 3.5 inches and the width to 5.3 inches. Close any open task panes if necessary. Basically, in this question, we will set the height and width of the chart. Okay, height of the chart to 3.5 inches. Go to the Format tab. In the size group, height is 3.5 inches. And width is 5.3 inches. Width is 5.3 inches. We will set here. Question is completed now. Now select the range A5 to B12, D5 to D12 and use the recommended charts feature to create a cluster bar chart. Basically, in this question, we will select these two ranges A5 to B12 and then press Ctrl and then select second range D5 to D12. Okay, use the recommended chart feature to create cluster bar chart. We will go to the Insert tab in the recommended charts. Okay, Insert cluster bar chart. We will select this chart and then simply click on OK. Cluster bar chart will be created. Change the chart from a cluster bar to default stacked bar charts. We will go to the charts type and then we will select stacked bar tab. Okay. Move the selected bar chart to a chart sheet name bar chart. We will move this chart a new sheet bar chart. We will tap new sheet name is bar chart. Okay. Okay. We will display the new job sheet. Display the new job sheet. On the new job worksheet, select the range A4 to B9 and use quick analysis to create a default pie chart. We will select this range A4 to B9 and use quick analysis tool. Here is quick analysis and go to the charts and insert pie chart. Move the chart to a sheet name pie chart. We will go to the move chart and then new sheet name is pie chart. Okay, question is completed now. Display the Outlook sheet. We will click on Outlook sheet. On the Outlook worksheet, the range A5 to A12 and D5 to D12 and use the insert tab to create a cluster column combo chart with the line on secondary axis. Okay, we will select these two ranges, A5 to A12, D5 to E12, press Ctrl and select second range, E5 to E12, so D5 to E12, and then go to the insert tab and then create a cluster column combo chart with line on secondary axis. Here is the combo charts. We will go to the combo charts. Okay, line on secondary axis, cluster column chart, line on secondary. Move the chart to new sheet combo chart. Go to the move chart and click on new sheet. The new sheet name is combo chart. Okay, this is done now. Tab new computer related job at 2029 as the chart title for the pie chart. Bold the title and change the font size to 18. Simply click on chart title and then we will tab new computer related job at 2029. New computer related jobs by 2029. Okay, bold the chart title and font size to 18. Go to the home tab. In the font group we will bold this chart title and then go to the font size 18 font size. We will apply 18 font size. Now apply the black text one font color under theme color to the chart title. Apply the black text one font color under theme color to the chart title. Okay, this is done now. Use the chart elements button to display the primary horizontal axis title for the column chart. Tab job title as the axis title. Use the chart elements button. Okay, primary horizontal axis for the column chart and tab jobs title as the axis title. Axis title primary horizontal job title. We will type here job title titles as the axis title. Apply dark blue font color to the horizontal axis title. Apply dark blue font color. Go to the font color. Apply dark blue font color. Modify the vertical axis so that maximum bound is 180 lakh. Keep the format axis being displayed. We will go to the vertical axis to maximum bound is 180 lakh. Maximum bound is 180 lakh. Change the vertical axis display unit to 1000 and then close the task pane. We will go to the units and then we will display units to 1000. Okay, and close the task pane. Apply dark blue font color to the value axis title. Okay, apply dark blue color to the value axis title. We will select this value axis and then go to the apply dark blue font color to the value axis title. This is dark blue. Question is completed now. Display the insight and data label on the pie chart. Close the chart elements. Go to the chart elements and then display insight and data labels. Use the format data label task pane to display percentage data label and remove the value data label. Close the pane. Use the format data label task pane to display percentage data label and remove the value. Display percentage and then remove this value and then close the task pane. Apply bold to the data label. Go to the home tab and then apply bold to the data label. Apply 18 point size to the data labels. We will go to the font size and 18 point size. Question is completed now. Open the format chart area pane. Apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area of the pie chart. Keep the task pane open. Okay, format chart area and then go to the fill color and picture or texture fill area. Blue tissue paper is here. Okay, we will scroll. Where is blue tissue paper texture? Blue tissue paper texture fill color. Where is blue tissue paper texture fill color? Here is blue tissue paper. Okay. Use the alt text pane to enter display the percentage of new computer jobs by job title. We will copy this title and right click on this, click on for alt text. We will paste our copy here. Displays the percentage of new computer jobs by job title. Okay, we will close the text pane. Then question is done. Apply red solid fill color to the computer system analysis slice. Keep the task pane open. Okay, red solid fill color to the computer system analysis slice. Here is computer system analysis slice. Here is computer system analysis slice. We will select this and then apply red solid fill color. Go to the solid color and go to the color red solid fill color. Okay, explode the computer system analysis red slice 10%. We will explode this slice to 10%. Point explosion is 10%. Close the task pane. Apply the style 10 chart style to the bar chart. In the bar chart sheet, close the chart style gallery. We will select this, go to the charts group, apply style 10 chart style. Okay, apply style 10 chart style. Display the outlook sheet. Click the column chart and then change the data source is equal to outlook $8.05 and $8.09. A5 to A9. We will chart data changes A5 outlook A5 to A9. Then click on OK. With the column chart selected, switch the row and columns. Okay, with the column chart selected, switch the row and column. Question is completed now. Now I am doing last question of this simulation training. Please focus on my PC screen. Insert the line spark line in the range D6 to D12 using B6 to B12 as the data source. Okay, simply first we will select this range D6 to D12. Okay, go to the insert tab, go to the spark lines group, line spark line, the data range is B6 to C12. B6 to C12 is the data range and then click on OK. Spark line will be inserted. Select the option to show markers on the spark line. Okay, select the option to simultaneously apply a dark blue spark line style dark 4. Spark line style dark 4 to the spark line. Okay, change the spark line marker color to dark red. We will go to the spark line and go to the marker color and then apply dark red. Where is dark red? Here is dark red marker color. Modify the vertical axis of the spark line so that the maximum and minimum and maximum value option are both set to the same for all spark line. Okay, modify same for our spark line. Question is done now. Now I am submitting this simulation training. Then I will show my grades, how much I got grade in this simulation training. Please focus on my PC screen. I will show my grade. You can see 100% grade in this simulation training. Please follow my video and you can done your training by watching this video. If you do not able to do this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete course for you with A+ grade, and please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab math, my lab English, writing courses, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your odd assignments, project, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, final exam and complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.